So my program is the Baking Business Entrepreneurship program, where we focus on all the skills that encompass the baking industry, from learning how to make bread, pies and pastry, right up on how to run a restaurant or a bakery.
When I'm older, I kind of want to create my own business, bakery, and hopefully maybe a bunch of them. I like that this focus program, you get to learn the aspect about creating your own business because it's entrepreneurial, as well as learning about baking skills.
This program is right for you if you are a hands-on learner, if you are creative. You don't have to have baking experience. You have to have some passion. We become almost like a little family, and it's a safe place to make mistakes. I always say that to everyone. This is the place to make mistakes, the place to grow, and the place to learn.